Hi everyone, in this video for grade 6 we have unit 7.5, which is about multiplication and division equations on page 151 on the book. In this section, in this unit, we study both multiply and divide, both of them. In 7.3 we studied addition equations. In 7.4 we studied subtraction equations. Now we have both multiply and divide, because we learned the ways in addition and subtraction. Now we just have some basic steps, which is we said for addition and subtraction in plus and minus, we said in the question if we have plus we will use minus to solve, if we have minus we use plus to solve, and the same way we use for multiply and divide. We use the same way for multiply and divide. If we have multiply, we use divide to solve. If we have divide, we use multiply to solve. And this would be easy if you could understand addition and subtraction. Now here we have 7h means 7 multiply h. We studied that before. If we didn't have anything between them, it means it is multiply. 7h equals 154. A over 5 equals 14 means A divided by 5 equals 14. We know if it's like a fraction, it means it's divide. If it's like this one, when we didn't have anything between them, it means it is multiply. If we start from this one, because here we have 7 multiply h equals 154, we divide by 7. We divide by 7, both of the sides by 7 by 7. 7 and 7 will be cancelled together. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 1h equals 154 divided by 7. If you could do it directly, you can do it. If not, you have to use long division. 154 divided by 7. 1 divided by 7 you cannot. 15 divided by 7 we will have 2. 2 multiplied by 7 equals 14. We always have minus. It would be 1. We will bring it down. Number 4. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 multiply 7 again. It would be 14. We subtract. It would be minus. We minus it. It would be 0. 0. The result of that long division, which you learned from grade 4 and 5, is 22. In the other one we have a divided by 5 equals 14. Because here we have divide, we use multiply. This one multiply by this number 14 multiply by that one, we will get the result of a. 14 multiplied by 5. 14 multiplied by 5, a equals 5 multiplied by 4, it would be 20, which is 0 and 2. 5 multiply 1, 5, we had another 2, would be 7, which is 70. You have to know division, especially long division and multiplication very well, which you studied in grade 4 and 5, so you can solve any equation and any equation about division and multiplication. Here we have 4x equals 28, because here we have 4 multiply x. With the x we have 4. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1x. We will have 1x equals 28 divided by 4. We don't need these long divisions. Directly we know 28 divided by 4 is 7. The other one we have x over 3 means x divided by 3 equals 28. Because we have divide, we use multiply to solve. We would say x equals 3 multiply 8. 3 multiplied by 8, which is 3 multiplied by 8, it would be 24. This is the result for this one, and that was x is equals 7, a is equals 22 from the long division, and a equals 70 from 14 multiplied by 5. Whenever you have a number multiplied by the variable, you will use division to solve. When you have the variable divided by a number, you use multiplication of these two to find the answer. The same multiplication of these two, because in the question we have division, we use multiplication. If you want to check, for example, x is 24, it means 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Yes, it is correct. A is 70, 70 divided by 5 is 14. The same, x is 7, 4 multiplied 7 is 28. That's how we solve any multiplication and division equations. If you have divide, you change to multiply. If you have multiply, you will change to divide to find the answers. That's all about it. Thanks for watching.